In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can customize your car here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go to one of your estates or the Horizon Festival site and open up your garage. I just fast traveled to one of my estates real quickly, so we're going to use that, but you can really use anything in order to get in your garage, as long as you have access to the garage, which of course you unlock just by playing the story like normal. But from here, tab over to the car tab, and you need to go into upgrade and tuning. Now, if you want to change the parts yourself, you hit custom upgrade, and then you hit OK, and you can go through here, customize the engine, the drivetrain, tires, rims, body kits, and conversions, and there's a lot more stuff depending on what car you have. For visual appearances, though, what you do is you go to the appearance one, and once again, depending on the car, you might be able to change these a little bit more. For the Halo car that I'm driving right now, you're actually unable to, or the Warthog or whatever it's called, so I never really played Halo too much. The conversion stuff on here is going to be for engine swaps, drivetrain swaps, body kits. For wheels, obviously, you go to tires, rims, and choose the rim style that you want. Sometimes you can also use different rims on the front and rear, which is pretty cool. For performance upgrade, that's when you go into engine, platform handling, drivetrain, stuff like that. Whenever you're done, though, back out, and then, of course, it'll say install all parts. Make sure you do that to confirm the changes. You can also use auto upgrade if you want to just upgrade, like, the class, for example. And you can also do custom tuning and tune your vehicle in here as well. Just make sure, once again, that you back out and save. And of course, you could also save it as a preset and apply that to every car. It really is as simple as that. Now, obviously, to change like the color and add a wrap, you go to the design and paint section. I'm going to keep mine at this kind of like bright blue color that I have it right now. You can also download ones from the community by doing find new designs and downloading custom liveries, which we have a full video breaking down. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.